Good day to you. This is Kadal Amudam from Chennai, India. This is part 83 of Sales Training Program. Grab him by his collar. But when you ask a question, 100% of the prospect's attention will be focused on answering you. It is almost as if we grabbed the prospect by the collar and jerked him towards you. When you ask a question, the prospect cannot think of anything else but the answer until it's given, giving you the control. Paraphrase the prospect's comments. Feedback what the prospect just said in your own words. Paraphrase the prospect's comments or questions. This is known as the acid test of listening. When you can feedback what a customer says, you prove to the customer that you are really paying attention. You are not just like one of those toy dogs in the back of a car window with its head nodding up and down. You are really listening. Questioning and listening build the trust. Listening builds trust. And the very best way to get an opportunity to listen is to control the conversation with questions. Close the presentation with close-ended questions. Use close-ended questions to bring a conversation to a conclusion. These are questions that can only be answered with yes or no. Close-ended questions always begin with verbs such as are, is, and do. Are you ready to make a decision today? Is this what you are looking for? Do you want to get started right away? Be alert to prospect response. Be prepared to walk through your features and benefits, remaining alert and aware of the prospect's reactions. Sometimes your third or fourth benefit will be what interests your prospect more than anything else. This is end of part 83 of sales training program. I can also train you one-on-one. I can psychologically analyze you and make you the best in your domain. You can contact me using the telephone numbers available on the screen. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can view more videos of this nature. Thank you and good day to you.